Hi, I'm Dan, and since I was a kid, I've always liked to make things. I'm a maker at heart. And I really like to make things that move. I like to do this with, the stuff I have laying around, or things I've recycled or repurposed, or things I can get at my local hardware store, like wood, or screws, or, cable ties, string, rope, common stuff. The problem was, every time I wanted to work a motor, well, more specifically a servo motor, into my projects, this doesn't really work well with this. This is a servo sock. Now this mixes better with this. And when you can do stuff like that, you can make cool stuff like this.